Hey Toots, welcome back. Today I'm going to be making a moist red velvet cupcake using only one egg. This recipe yields 7 regular sized cupcakes. However, if you use smaller cups, you'll definitely obtain more. In a bowl, whisk butter and sugar together. Make sure your butter is of room temperature. I got a little bit cocky thinking mine was ready to be used, but ended up having to do a bit of cleaning, which I don't think I'll be showing you that because it's embarrassing. Whisk until it turns pale in color. Then add in your 1 size egg and vanilla and continue mixing. Then I added some plain yogurt. It will curdle, but fear not, it will become smoother as you add in your other ingredients. And of course, a pinch of salt. Moving on to the red velvet paste, I don't add them individually but instead mix red color, some water and cocoa powder in a separate bowl until it combines into a smooth paste, and then add them all together to our batter. Here I have a cup of plain flour and a 1/3 cup of buttermilk, which I made myself. Don't forget a teaspoon of baking powder. Alternate between the two and end with your flour. Finally, activate ½ teaspoon of baking soda with apple cider vinegar and add them all to your batter. Be careful not to overmix. I always tend to use dark cupcake liners for my red velvet, and here I have black ones. I find that they make my red velvets look beautiful and rich. Pop these in a preheated oven at 170 degrees Celsius for 18 minutes or until they are cooked. Ta-da! They are cooked to perfection. These will shrink slightly as they cool, but don't worry as that will ensure a fluffy and decadent red velvet cupcake. While our cupcakes are cooling, we'll be making our frosting. In a bowl, cream your cream cheese and sugar together, add in vanilla and some plain yogurt. Once everything is thoroughly mixed, beat a cup of cream to soft peaks and add in little by little to your cream cheese mixture. I prefer piping my cream, and here I have decided to use the old big round tip. Our cupcakes are cooled and ready to be frosted. I wasn't sure how to decorate my cupcake, but then I figured why not do the traditional red velvet crumb. So I picked some off of the tops of our cupcakes, which is okay because eventually we're covering it up with the delicious cream cheese frosting. And that is our red velvet cupcake. Isn't it beautiful? I love this recipe. Not only are they moist, but soft and fluffy as well. I left this in the fridge for 3 days and they still turned out great. As you can see, I got a bit excited turning the turntable, and let's just say we'll keep that story for another day. And that is it for today. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it as much as I did making it. Until next time, toodles!